Good day everyone. Today I will gonna teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation. First, please open your Microsoft PowerPoint and then click the blank presentation. Next, just edit this text box and put your title here. Like for example, rational numbers. And then select it to change font style. You can select what font style you want. Next, you need to add layer. Just click here and then click enter. Okay, we have now the next slide. This and put your title here in the upper part, which is rational numbers. Next is the meaning or the content or something that you want to present in your presentation. Like for example, I will present is the meaning of rational numbers here. Okay, next we will make it more visible. Just select the content and then change the size and font style and also the title in the upper part to make it more visible. Next is add again a new slide. Just click the bottom side and then enter. In here I will gonna put the example of rational numbers. Okay, now we will make it more visible again by changing the font style and the font size. It is important to consider the font style and the font size to make your presentation more visible to the audience. Next is you're gonna add another slide for the another content or additional information. This is okay, but I will give you a tip to make it easier to add new slides with the same format of the other slides. Click this slide, then right click and duplicate and drag to the fourth slide, and then select the first information in the text box, then paste your additional information. And then back to the title page, click the design and then choose a design that suits to your taste or your style to make your presentation more presentable. You can also make your own style. It's up to you on how you use your creativity. Next, we will gonna save this presentation or your presentation. Go to file and then save and browse, then save. That's all. Thanks for watching this tutorial.